When it comes to rolling over your 401k into an IRA, it's crucial to understand the ins and outs before making this important financial move. So, if you're nearing retirement or simply want to protect your hard-earned savings, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what to do and what to watch out for. Now, before we dive into all of the steps, I want to mention that if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next couple of weeks, make sure you check out the first link in the description for the free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using Gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and this guide can help you understand why. It's free and packed with information you won't want to miss. When it comes to rolling over your 401k into an IRA, one of the first things to consider is your tax situation. Unlike a 401k, which is typically funded with pre-tax dollars, an IRA allows you to have more control over your investment choices. But don't forget that if you're not careful with your rollover, you might face unexpected tax liabilities. For example, if you do a rollover incorrectly or miss deadlines, you could end up paying a penalty. Another key point to understand is the type of IRA that's best for your needs. While traditional IRAs offer tax-deferred growth, Roth IRAs can give you tax-free growth as long as you meet certain criteria. This could be especially beneficial if you're still working or want to minimize future tax burdens in retirement. But let's be honest, not all IRAs are created equal. If you're truly looking to protect your wealth and keep it growing, then a Gold IRA should be on your radar. While standard IRAs focus on stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, Gold IRAs give you the ability to invest in physical gold and other precious metals, which historically serve as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. This is especially important if you have a substantial amount of savings, say $100K or more in your 401k, IRA, or even up to $5 million. Now, one major reason people choose to roll over their 401k into an IRA is the ability to invest in a broader range of assets. With an IRA, you're not limited to just the options provided by your old 401k plan. But here's where things get tricky. If you choose a standard IRA, your money may be subject to market volatility. On the other hand, Gold IRAs offer a more stable, historically secure alternative, which could be a game changer for you in today's unpredictable economy. Let's talk about another important point: timing. The timing of your 401k rollover can impact how much you ultimately benefit. For example, you'll want to be mindful of the deadlines for completing the rollover to avoid paying unnecessary taxes. And if you're close to retirement, you might be wondering whether it's better to take a more conservative approach with your investments. This is where a Gold IRA really shines. So, what's the takeaway here? Before you roll over your 401k into an IRA, it's essential to do your research, choose the right type of IRA for your financial goals, and understand the potential tax consequences. And if you want to ensure your wealth is protected against inflation, economic downturns, and market volatility, a Gold IRA might be the perfect option for you. Again, if you're serious about safeguarding your wealth in the next couple of weeks, make sure you click the first link in the description for your free Gold IRA guide. It's tailored to American retirees like you, who are looking to protect at least $100K in their 401k or IRA, and it's free. You'll also find valuable resources to help you decide if a Gold IRA is right for you. In conclusion, rolling over your 401k into an IRA can be a smart financial move, but it's essential to make informed decisions. When it comes to securing your retirement savings, don't settle for less. Consider a Gold IRA to protect and grow your wealth for years to come.